On May 27th at the Capital Club, we are hosting a roundtable to discuss what it will take to make Dubai the global crypto hub. I'm Joel Dietz, co-founder of MetaMask, early contributor to Ethereum, and fellow at MIT. We have Noah joining us from the Dubai Future Foundation, Danny from Becco Capital, and Michael from GDA Capital. And together we will be looking both at the barriers and possibilities for Dubai to truly become the world's crypto capital. Now, what does it mean to have a crypto capital for the world?
I think ultimately industries are made of people, and you need people to be living in a place, and Dubai is a great place to live. And so the question is, how do you get the right people here to make this the center of crypto distributed finance industry globally? It might serve a global market, but we want great people to be here.
I would say that New York and Hong Kong are respectively the financial capitals of the world, East and West respectively. And with the significant regulations in New York is really passing the torch to other jurisdictions that have friendlier or just have regulations in general that allow you to operate. And with Hong Kong being closed and a lot of the value of Hong Kong moving back to China, it presents a really compelling opportunity for Dubai to take that place.
Yeah, I think the other thing is in a decentralized world, there are lots of nodes. And if we can be one of those main nodes with governance, legislation, community protocols, emanating from here but serving the world, I think that's how we do it.
We bring the greatest minds together that are currently here in Dubai to discuss what the world will look like in 5 years and how Dubai has probably the best shot of any city to be the crypto capital.